Find your phone.
You're beautiful.
Also, you got some important texts and shit, I guess.
I hate you with the passion.
Open them up. I don't know who it was from.
Seriously, you
Dude, seriously, open them.
It's unicorn. Hey, you.
Bird, just open it.
Bird, just open it all.
It's from your mom, dude. The texts are
Just do
from
it.
your mom.
Come on.
We're not leaving until you do it, Bird.
Yeah.
I hate you guys.
You're welcome.
Go.
Done. Oh, wait.
Go for it. God damn it.
I done. Wait.
It's a dud.
Oh, wow, that's gay.
It's a dud.
Well, they're from Walmart. What do you expect?
Oh, we're marking up their driveway, so.
You want to get fireworks?
Light your fucking firework, dude.
Well, here, hold the camera for me.
Why do you need a fucking camera?
Because I like vlogging, alright?
You're a vlogging bitch.
You're a faggot.
Well, hold on. Let me try.
Actually, I am, so deal with it.
I can't.
Give me back my lighter, bitch. By the way, the wind is going towards us, dude. Bring back my lighter.
They're like little bombs. They're like firecrackers. Firecrackers, yeah.
You don't love firecrackers.
Love those so much. I love
There you go. It's adorable.
You trying to make duel? Alright, give me a lighter. Please.
Jake, what you got?
I can't find mine.
What you got?
I'm gonna twist these up.
What are they?
way.
They're like some kind of flash things. Dad, can I at least use your lighter?
Oh my god,
please?
these are bright as fuck. Dude, who the fuck ruined my casing?
I didn't.
I spun it around. I hope he falls on his ass.
Yeah. You know what we should have done? Get one of those and light off a big one by using those small ones. Think about it. Think about it. It would be kind of big. Hold up. Let me see those.
No.
Oh, fucker. Because we could have used those.
He's got more.
Back up.
Back up.
Back, I say. Ah, shit. Hold up.
Damn it.
Hello, folks. This is my little fire instruction, which this dude is gonna start. Now move over there, Mr. Pyro. Okay, we are going to do a line of magical colors in somewhat pattern that we have here, and make sure that the fire will be high enough to catch this thing and a huge finale, which we hope it's going to be huge. So, Mr. Pyro, if you do the honors.
Yeah, no wait. Get them out here. Let them at least enjoy.
Unless those two fuckers like to fuck in my car, get their asses out here. Get your ass out here!
If it works, it's going to be the best thing ever.
Dude, it still has fire. Oh, dude.
It had fire in there still?
Yes, go on.
Oh, God. Be careful.
It needs an igniter. Never mind. Which one was the dud?
I don't know, I stepped on it.
Bro, you may do the honors.
Really, you guys?
Yep. Yes. All right, get the fuck
up.
back.
Get the
fuck back.
Oh, it's doing it.
It's doing it.
It's working so
Raven,
well.
get
Oh!
Raven, get over here. It's the first shot.
Oh!
Fuck! Oh, our creation.
Damn it. Wait.
Wait. Come on, please catch it. Catch it. Catch it.
Oh, it's got it.
Catch it. Are you kidding me? You fucker. Okay, now we had a little issue because one of our things fell.
Hey, one of them
And
was a
that's
dud.
a dud.
Back up. Back up. It's going to do it.
No, it's not.
Son of a bitch.
It needs to stop falling over. Okay, just hope to God it can catch.
Dude, if
Nope,
we use
not gonna
tape,
catch.
this would work.
Well,
Hang on, stop. Go grab some more. We'll use some tape and get them held
Well,
down.
no, just keep going. Just leave it like
No,
how
but
it
if
is.
we use tape, it will go, or it'll
Just
keep going.
fuck it. It's already close
Dude,
enough,
it's
so I
already
just say
close.
fuck it. Fuck it. It's
Damn.
already close enough. All right.
There it goes.
So far, so good. Ish. Close enough.
Oh, is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? Is this gonna be beast?
Come on, yellow.
Come on, no, give it a minute. Let it
There we go.
let it find its flaming. Oh.
All right, now we got the red.
Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yes! Yes!
We probably shouldn't have done this.
Yes! Woo!
Fucking awesome. Stay golden, pony boys.
And there you have it, folks. The final finale.
Now let's fuck with
Okay, now
some
go
shit.
home.